Say it, soldier.
Yes.
All right, what is your mission?
To shoot those things up in some air. What?
Fireworks.
Fireworks. In the
Your
air.
mission is to destroy
Yeah.
the fireworks.
Search and destroy. Like, not yet.
Here's the lighter.
Don't.
Wait until it starts firing. All right, guys.
Don't.
The enemy is alive. Don't shoot me. All right, fire at will.
I missed it.
Dude, you're shooting in the breeze. Come on, another clip. Come on, the enemy's fighting. Guys, what are you doing? The enemy. Sam. Sam, come on. Do something. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early lights what so proudly we hail as the starlight's last
I
gleam?
missed it.
I shot it.
You guys, the enemy totally destroyed you. You guys ran out of ammo in 2 seconds. It kept firing. And Sam, you're standing there with a broken gun.
I can't.
Oh.
Alright. It's hard.
Come on, soldier.
You gotta leave?
Put some muscle into
My
it.
dad's here.
Why didn't he come in the
Ask him to
back?
come play with the guns with us.
He doesn't have shoes to come.
Oh, okay. He can come barefoot. It'll be a little cold. Oh, we had fun, right?
Not on the snow.
I don't know where I put it.
All right.
I was lost.
Any last words?
Yeah, can I always come to Sam's house. You have so much fun.